Are you still wondering how to get your product content translated for the products that have been added to your Akeneo PIM? Want to leverage AI and make your product content translation simplified? Well, we have just the right product for you. Hey guys, I'm Satyam this side, and today we'll be going through the Akeneo OpenAI Content Translator. This content translator uses generative AI to translate the product content. It uses APIs from OpenAI to perform the same. Only the text and text area type attributes of Akeneo, which are localized, can be translated using this module. Now, let's check the working of the extension. But before that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations to get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Alright, so now let's check the working of the Akeneo OpenAI Content Translator. So here we are on the Akeneo dashboard. So we have already installed the AI translator into the Akeneo, and so now we'll go to it. So here we can see the AI translator has been installed. So now let's go to it. So in the first section, we have the documentation. So here you can check all of the documentation content that has been listed, such as how to set this up, what OpenAI translator connector will do, and how the OpenAI translator works. So you can read all of it as per your preference. So now let's go to credentials. So this section is how you can add the OpenAI credentials here to make this module work. So we have already added the API keys here, and it is listed here. So in order to add a credential for yourself, you have to click on add credential and enter a name and enter the API key, which you will be generating from OpenAI directly. To get to know more about this, how to generate the API key, you can visit our user guide. Alright. So from here, once you have added the credentials, you can enable or disable it as well, and can add multiple OpenAI credentials, and you can delete them as well. So now let's go to the main section, which is the auto translation. So here you can see that you can enable or disable the auto translation as per your requirement. So the next thing we have is the source channel. Here you can select the channel which you want as per your requirement. Next, you have the target channel. This is the channel where the content will be translated. Next, you have the source locale. This is the source from where the content will be taken, and then it will be translated to the target channel. Next, we have the attribute used to make translation. Here, you can enter the text or text area type attributes, which are localized as well, which will then be available to be selected, and they will be translated using this connector. So now input the required fields, and we'll simply click on save. So now I'll quickly show you how we can use this module to generate the to translate the content of the products. So now let's go to product section. Here I'll choose a product which is scarf. So now this content translator works only for text or text area type attributes, and they have to be localized as well. So now in the description, which is a text area type attribute, and it is in the e-commerce channel and English locale. So now I'll input a description. So now let's input it. So I've input a very nice scarf, and now I'll save the product. So I've saved the product. Now that the content translator is enabled, so now I'll quickly change the locale to German. So there we have it. The content has been automatically translated and no intervention was required. So this is how the module works.
So there we have it. a comprehensive workflow of the Akeneo OpenAI Content Translator. If you have any more queries or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@webkul.com or create a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.